I should sleep in the trees, where the leaves let through the perfect amount of light. That's the best place to take a nap in the summer.
How about curtains made of beautiful leaves?
Banni, brilliant!
Great idea.
Okay, let's get a lot of leaves and meet at my house.
Huh?
Uh-huh. Ooh.
Leaves are pretty, but we can make them prettier. And now we just have to put them on strings.
Uh-huh.
Momolu, what's better? A single knot, a running knot, or a double knot to hang the curtains?
My vote is for single knots.
Yes, single knots.
This is amazing. It looks like a magical forest. Oh, if you'll excuse me, I need to rest. But I'll see you later at the cafe.
Uh-huh.
Good, you're all here.
How did you sleep?
Like a baby owl.
Yay!